Hello guys, that guy here, and this is my first video, and I don't really know what to do. So I got my fidget spinners out. See, I got a black one. It's just the normal one. It's my first one. I have an American one. It spins a little fast. It's, you know, if you want to truly be an American, you know, Donald Trump wigs. Yep. And just I'm just gonna be spinning fidget spinners for no apparent reason. Yeah, guys. So my channel is about. I'm very enthusiastic about writing comics and like novels. I was gonna use my YouTube channel as something to express my comics and my thoughts on the books I make and my thoughts on books and movies. So yeah, but first I'm gonna just be spinning fidget spinner just as a welcome. Also, guys, welcome to the channel. Hit that like button and subscribe, please, so I can know that so I can get some motivation. Start the channel as quick as possible. So yeah, guys, and please smash that like button and subscribe and the notification bell, so I can notify you. So I can notify you on all my latest videos. And please, guys, so I can get some motivation keep up my channel and see where it goes. So yeah. Also, guys, I might be doing a fidget spinner giveaway sooner or later. And yeah. Yeah. But also, guys, I just wanted to show you guys something. If you spin your fidget spinners like, if you spin it like fast with like these weird glowing ones, which are like 3D, you can see like a happy face in them. But yeah, and this one, I don't know why, but I think I see like an Adidas sign in there. Yeah, so yeah, guys, and yeah. Also, guys, I'm watching this video on Typical Gamer, so that's my you might be hearing that. So yeah, guys. So if you heard like a lot of screams, I was watching Typical Gamer. It's pretty good, guys. You should check him out. But my favorite YouTuber is a guy named Oompersville. Please check him out. He's awesome. And yeah, guys. So yeah, did I just start finishing? That's probably gonna be the title. Starting fidget spinners for no reason. But yeah, guys. And peace out, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Smash that like button so I can get some motivation. Thanks, guys. Peace out.